Hi, today I'm going to show you how to zoom in your videos using Adobe Premiere Pro. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel to stay updated. Let's begin by adding this video to the timeline. Just drag and drop the clip like this. Then select this clip in the timeline and navigate to Effect Controls. Now under Effect Controls, find and select Anchor Point. Once you click on Anchor Point, on the preview window, you should be able to see this little blue circle here. Hover over this circle, and once you see the black icon, if you left click, you should be able to move and adjust the position of the circle. So position this circle on the area where you want to be zooming in. In this case, I want to zoom in on the boat here. Then navigate back to Effect Controls, find this little timeline here, and move the playhead to the point where you want to start zooming in. Let's say here, then go back to Effect Controls, find Scale, and then click once on Toggle Animation for Scale. Now we have added our first keyframe here, and this is the point where we will start zooming into our video. Then move the playhead just a bit further out, go back to Scale, and then adjust the zoom level. So I'm going to zoom into this video by 398, let's say. Okay. So what's going to happen now, from this keyframe to the second one, our video will start zooming in. All right. Then if I move the playhead just a bit further out, a few seconds out, go back to Scale and click on this little diamond here to add a keyframe. Now I will maintain this zoom level for this duration. And then from this keyframe, I want to start zooming out. To do that, I'm going to move the playhead further out. Let's say this much, go back to Scale, and then click once here on Reset Parameter. So what this does, it just sets the default zoom level at this point in time. Now if I move the playhead to the start, replay the clip, and see how it looks. Start zooming in, maintain zoom level here, and then starts zooming out. And this is it, guys. Now, one additional thing is you can just manually drag and move around these keyframes, meaning that if I move this keyframe closer to the first one, the zoom in is going to happen a lot quicker. Like this. And then same for zoom out. If I move this further out, the zoom out is going to take a lot longer than it did before. Okay? So this is basically adjusting the timing of zoom in or out. And this is it. I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.